Hey guys, welcome back to Flash Custom Designs. Today we are here in our retail store, FCD Vinyl and Apparel. I know it's been a while since I put any videos out showing you how to make shirts, how to do vinyl on cotton shirts. So today I have a big project, an exciting project, Selena project. I love Selena, so we're gonna go ahead and do that today, and I'm gonna kind of show you how I designed the design, and then show you how to cut it, press it, wrap it, present it. So let's go ahead and go back to the work area. So today yesterday we had a mom come in and she says, hey, my daughter's having a Selena birthday, which is very popular these days. A lot of kids are having Selena birthdays. And she says, I want it to say, you know, like, and Selena says, anything for Selenas.
Anything for Selenas.
Well, the little girl's name is Alicia. So she wants it to say anything for Alicia, but look like Selena. So we're gonna go ahead and look at the computer, and I just googled, this is what she wants it to look like. Anything for Alicia Rose, no green. So this is what we're gonna create today. First step to do, of course, is we need to find the correct font that will match the Selena font. Okay, so on the font, I found this font, Goldena, which is the closest to the Selena font that I think I could get. So I went ahead and downloaded it and went to Cricut, and this is what I created. Anything for Alicia with the rose. I just downloaded a generic rose. This is big, let me show you. So it kind of looks the same. It looks really good. Mom loved it. Mom approved it. She said it's a go. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the shirt. She did order some black and purple shirts. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all the blacks that I have, and then do purples. I have to get purples, so I'll just do all the purples. So this is just a black background because they're all gonna be white. So I just put a big black square to kind of see how it's gonna look on a black shirt. So we have 2 black adult larges and a small, child small. So let me see how big we wanna do it. So this is just the amount I get to measure. So dirty. How big we want it. I guess we could just do it as big as we can. Okay, so I decided that these are gonna be about a 12 by 10 on the shirt. So let's go ahead, we're gonna get those cut. This is everyday vinyl. More basic, shiny part down, always. Okay, so while those are cutting, always remember we can have the heat press going. Turn the heat press on. I have 330 at 30 seconds. Mine is heated up, but you can have your heat press heating while your stuff is cutting. All right, so the first one is done, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the second one cutting while I weed the first one. So technically I could make all 6 shirts and then just press them when I get the other purple ones. Maybe I'll do that. So then this is cutting. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. We have it all weeded, all ready. So we're gonna go ahead, put our shirt on. That's cute. Ooh. All right. Beautiful. White is typically a hot peel for us. Anything for Alicia. Beautiful. Cute, right?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I think everyone will like it. I would like it.
Especially with those nice roses over there.
Yeah, and then they'll have purple shirts as well, the Selena purple. All right, so that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Just want to do a quick video on creating, pressing here at FCD Vinyl and Apparel and our new retail shop, here at Flash Custom Designs in our new retail shop, FCD Vinyl and Apparel. If you want to take a look at the finished product of all purple shirts and all black shirts, check us out on Instagram at flashcustomdesigns.com. No. Check us out on Instagram at Flash Custom Designs. And also, if you would like a Selena shirt, contact me at fcdvinylandapparel.com. If you would like just your own transfers, you can heat press yourself. We can also do that for you as well. So, until next time, thanks for tuning in. Oh, if you need to email me about any questions, anything, any orders, please email me at fcdvinylandapparel@gmail.com. Till next time, bye.